What's going on, Miss Spooky Babes and Ghouls? So today, obviously, I'm reviewing the San Diego Comic Con Draculaura, and this one is the Freak to Chic Draculaura. Finally, after all these years, they finally made one. And now that I think about it, I don't think I own any of the Freak to Chic line. That's because it's like one of the prettiest like monster lines they have out there, you know. I think that one came out in 2014, I don't remember, and I guess I wasn't really collecting by that point. No idea. I might have some, I might not. I don't know. I need to go dig up my old collection. But yes, when I saw pictures of her, I was like, I have to get my claws on this doll. So of course I set an alarm and I got it like right before it sold out. I remember like being so stressful because like the website like lagged out, and also like I was out grocery shopping at the same time, and I was like, I don't know, maybe my phone isn't getting good service or what, but I was freaking out. I was like, if I don't get my hands on this doll, I'm gonna cry. Like maybe not, I wasn't probably actually gonna cry, but like I'd be crying on the inside. But also, I'd have $75 more in my bank account, so. But it's all good. Either way, I win. But I did get the doll, so that's why we're here today. So, drumroll. Ta-da! She is the most prettiest Monster High collector doll I own right now. Actually, that's a hard choice between the Elvira and the Dracula doll. Those are my other two favorites, and I'm like, I don't know, this might beat them. If only I got my claws on the Draculaura Vampire Heart doll. I think that one's the prettiest Draculaura collector doll out there right now. Hopefully they restock her on Amazon on the 13th. We'll see. But I don't know if I will even buy her because $90 is kind of a bit for a doll. But yes, oh my god, you guys, like the packaging on this is exquisite. Oh my goodness. I'll definitely show you guys more details of the packaging, and I'll start talking about it right now. But oh my god, like this is the prettiest doll. And I've been wanting to review this doll since I got it. I think I got it like a month ago in the mail, I don't remember. But she's meant to be displayed upside down. Like this, because she's supposed to be hanging upside down. You can display her, I display her this way because I can see her better, but yeah. She's so cute. So yeah, let's start talking about the doll right now. Okay, so let's get this open. So I like the packaging on it. The packaging is probably like one of the best packaging I've seen for a Monster High collector doll so far. I usually do love their packagings, but this one's like pretty unique compared to all the other ones. So the bat wings come off like this. It has a Velcro attachment on it, and you can open it just like this. Cute. So we're gonna talk about the sleeve of the packaging right now. And oh my goodness, you guys, this packaging is okay. So first of all, let me show you guys the outside. I'll definitely show better pictures, videos of it. But oh my goodness, you guys, it is bat shaped. Super cool. So on the outside of the packaging, it has basically like shiny silhouettes of like the other characters, other Freak to Chic characters. Or maybe not. I'm not sure. I don't think these are the other characters. These just might just be random Freak to Chic girls. But yeah. On the middle back, it has a Monster High logo down at the bottom, and then it has the credits of who, I guess the creative team that went into creating her. Like the toy designer, packaging designer, character illustrator, all the way down to development designer. A lot of people helped make this doll come together, but oh my goodness, you guys. The packaging designer needs a freaking raise, because like this is super cool. Bat shaped, oh my goodness. But I like it, it's really cool. It even has like some bats flying around, some like fog down at the bottom, and like even like where the fog is on the bottom, like you can see kind of like a holographic shine to it, like on the characters. They kind of already do, but you definitely see a lot more down where the fog is. It looks really cool. It's like a rainbow holographic. And then on the top, there's like a curtain kind of like going around the edges of the bat wings, and there's like spider webs kind of hanging down from them. I think that looks really cool. There's a little skullette featured. Kind of like a button, I guess. It's like a golden holographic button. And then, kind of like when you open the flap right here, it says Freak to Chic Draculaura. In like golden holographic text. Really cool. And what's cool about this logo is that no matter which way you flip it, it still says Draculaura. Really cool. Let's look at the inside of the flap. So this is where you see the other Freak to Chic characters. So I'm gonna start from left to right. Of course, on each corner of the bat wings, there's skullets holding the curtains. I think that's a really cute detail. On the far left, we see Frankie doing some tricks out of her magic hat. Love it. And then you see Toralei walking across a tightrope. And then in the center, you see a silhouette of Goliath. And of course, her iconic carousel shoes. And then on the far right, we have Jennifer blowing some fire. I love it. There's spotlights hanging down from the top of the curtains. They're heart-shaped spotlights. I think that's a really cute detail. I just love the packaging so much. And then of course the doll itself, once you get the sleeve off of it. So yes, the box is meant to be displayed upside down because all the stuff, all the text, like when you display it like this way, everything's like upside down. So it's meant to look like this. So I guess we'll talk about the box first and then we'll talk about the doll. So one side panel, we have a picture of Draculaura hanging from the, oh, what the fuck's it called? Like the trapeze thingamabobs, the bars, the trapeze bar, I guess. Yeah. My god, my mind's so blanked out right now, you guys. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. Upright and some holographic text. It says, step right up, see the amazing Draculaura, the daring acrobats. I do really like the artwork for Draculaura. I believe it was designed by Darko. I think that's like one of their Monster High artists has been doing like all the character art for all the packaging lately. Yes, Darko. They're the one that's been doing like all the character designs like on even like the G3 boxes, at least the newer boxes. Like the first core dolls didn't have that, or they had like a whole entirely different artist. But I do like his style. It's really cute. I think it suits Monster High pretty well. Gives them like a glamour cool look. And I just love the way her curls like in this photo, and then her shoes, her ribbons, everything looks super cool. And then on the back panel we have a different angle, Draculaura flying upside down. It's super cute. I love it. I just love the way this artist draws her. Like just draws like the Monster High characters in general. It's super cute. Like I like all the highlights and shines on them. The way their hair looks, it's really pretty. Like you can see all the curls from her hair. On the bottom, we see the Freak to Chic Draculaura logo again. Reversible text. It looks really cool. I love it when text is like created like that. Like however way you look at it, upside down or regular side up, it like reads the same. And then on the other panel, we have another picture of Draculaura flying again. And then there's some more text on the bottom that says, being the latest act in the Freak to Chic makes me feel like a total scaredevil. I love sitting on the trapeze, looking down at the crowd before dramatically swinging forward and spinning upside down in the air, the lights dancing off the sparkles of my costume. As I flip into a somersault, the crowd is dazzled by my bat wings, as my colossal heels grip the trapeze and I soar like a true creature of the night. I think being an acrobat is better than being a real bat, and I don't think I'll ever come down. Super cute. So this is from Draculaura's point of view. And then now, of course, we'll move on to the doll itself. I really wish there was a way I can open this doll, like the other like Monster High collector dolls I've been able to to show you guys, because like it's gonna get annoying with the light reflection on the plastic. But I will be showing you guys better pictures and video clips of the doll as I'm talking about her. Yes, so she is meant to be seen like this. Like when I first opened her, this is how she looked like. Because like obviously this is the top and this is the bottom. Like the barcode and everything down there. Why is there something shaking around in there? It's not like maybe it's a doll stand. I'm like shaking this poor doll. So the front of the box features kind of like a curtain draped around all corners. We got spider webs on the top and bottom curtains as well. And then holding the curtains is two scolette pins, I guess. I think that's a really cute detail. So I almost want to talk about the inside of the box, but it's kind of hard to tell since like I can't really get a good look at it. But it's really cool because it looks like you're looking into the top of like a circus tent. You can see like all the lights and everything, all the stuff hanging from the top of the circus tent. Looks really cool. And then down below by Draculaura's feet, you can see like a crowd below her. And you can kind of see some like notable characters in there. Let me see. So I for sure see Deuce. He's looking back. You can see him with the sunglasses and the snakes. I see some like Were characters, I think. I'm not sure if that's like Claudia. I see someone else with spiky hair. That actually might be Nathan. It might be Nathan. Like I see someone with like 3 points in her head, like with the big one in the middle. I'm pretty sure that's Nathan, but I could be wrong. Yeah, no, I can't tell who the other characters are. I think I see Laguna, but I'm not sure. Was she even in the Freak to Chic line? I don't remember. I don't know if she even was. Weird. Yeah, no, but there's some characters down below in the audience that kind of stand out. The circus tent does like kind of have like a spiderweb design on it, so I think that's really cute. Spiderweb detailing. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see like the inside of the box, the doll inside of it, and of course Draculaura herself. Oh my goodness, you guys. So let's start off with us talking about her. Like, oh my, I don't even know where to start. I guess with her face. We'll start with her face. Obviously, I'm wearing it right now. If you guys haven't checked it out yet, I did do a makeup tutorial for this look that I posted previously, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll have the link down below, and of course you can check out my channel and look for it as well. But oh my goodness, you guys, like her makeup is super cute. Like I think this is like one of the best Draculaura faces that there is out there. Like everything from like the you know, the tint, the touch of yellow on her eyeshadow, her long lashes, the heart-shaped blush, the lip liner, everything about it is so I love it. So perfect. And I know her hat does get a lot of hate. I've seen a lot of hate for it, but I love the hat. I think it's super cute. I just love the little bat ears on it. It's so cute. And I think it, I don't know, I love it. I tried to emulate that today with my widow's peak bangs. But oh my goodness, you guys, it's super cute. So yeah, obviously I like her makeup. I do like the touch of yellow in the eyeshadow. I think it kind of matches with the gold accessories on her outfit. Kind of ties that all together. Of course, the light pink heart-shaped blush. Beautiful. I actually do like lashes on dolls. Some people don't. I actually like them. I think they're cute. Reminds me of like my Barbie dolls I had like back in the 2000s. I had like the rooted lashes. I always felt like those Barbie dolls looked a lot more glamorous. I thought it was super cute. I don't know, it just adds like a special, like, adds an extra oomph to the dolls, you know? Like I know I've seen instances in dolls where the lashes aren't rooted in right and it's like literally rooted into like their eyeball. That sucks. But when done right, it looks beautiful. I do like the line going across her eye. That is really cute. The bottom lashes are cool with the little like dots on the end of them. I love that so much. But you guys, like her lip liner is amazing. Like even the color of her lips, I love it. It's like a muted pink. Super cute. I wish I could talk about her hair, but I can't really see it too much in this box unless I take her out maybe, which I'm not gonna do. Like I'm looking at the box to see if I can like try to open it to get a peek inside of there, but looks like I'm gonna be cutting some tape if I want to get it open, and I don't want to do that, so. Usually the Skull Actor dolls, I can just kind of slide off the plastic, but this doll's more encased in. But her hair looks really cute. It's curly. Wish I could see that more better. But I've seen people post like pictures like on Reddit and Instagram of her out of the box, and her hair looks super cute. So I do like her whole bat get up with this doll, the little bat hat, the bat wing shaped cape. I love the cape. She's a vampire, so of course they made her as an acrobat. I love that so much. The cape is cute. I do like the diamonds on it, the shiny pink diamonds. I do love the fact that it is batwing shaped. Love that so much. Her earrings are really cute as well. They feature golden hoops with a little bat hanging from them, which I guess is kind of like an acrobat, I guess. Super cute. Hopefully I can show you guys a good view of them. It's kind of hard to like it's probably gonna be hard to get like a good angle of them from outside the box. And then she has like a chest piece or like a necklace, like a bow that kind of wraps around her neck and her chest. Maybe like a bow harness. We'll call it that. A bow harness. It's golden. It's really cute. I like it. It has a tiny little skullet in the center. Really cute touch. Little cute detail. Her bodysuit is cute as well. It is a separate bodysuit. It's not connected to the leggings. I've seen people take the doll in the box and like change the leggings or take off the leggings. I think that's really cool that it's separated. I think the top is a separate thing as well, like the long sleeve shirt underneath it. I'm not sure. I can't remember. But I hear it is kind of hard to like try to put the outfit back together again because the leggings are pretty thick. So it's kind of hard to like squeeze the bodysuit back up onto the doll. But I like it. So like the base fabric is black with like gold threadings in it. So I think that looks cool. Adds like a really cool like sparkly touch to it. And then on the bottom of the bodysuit has a bunch of like really cute pink ruffles. And speaking of ruffles, she also has like ruffles around the neck as well, which I believe is attached to the long sleeve top she's wearing underneath the bodysuit. It's like the same fabric as the leggings, like a hot pink with like some hot pink sparkles threaded into it with like ruffles on the neck and the sleeves. And then the leggings is made out of the same material as well. Her pants are actually painted black to like gloves, but it's really cool because it's not just like the hand mold, it actually has some detailings on the mold itself, which is really cool. That makes it look like a glove, so like they're stitching like all around the fingers, which I think is a really cool touch. And it's honestly something I didn't notice until I got the doll in person. I was like looking at her and I was like, whoa, that's cool. I do love how they added that detail onto it instead of just painting, you know, her normal hand mold black. She does have like a fringe coming off of her. I can't tell if it's from the cape itself or from the bodysuit. I don't know where it's coming from. I have no idea. But I think that's a really cool detail. And I like how they kind of like flail around in the box when I'm like flipping it around. It looks kind of cool. I'm sure it'd look really cool to see that in action, as you know, as she could fly across the room. And then the shoes, you guys, oh my god, the shoes I am in love with. Unfortunately, I can't really see all the details from out here unless I open the doll and actually take a good look at her. I swear to god, one of these days I'm so open on my dolls. I want to be able to touch them and just, you know, play with them. But the shoes are definitely like one of my favorite parts of this doll as well. Monster High makes the coolest shoes for their dolls most of the time. But these are some golden shoes. They kind of have like some pink flags hanging from the base of the shoe. So I think the cool thing about the shoes is the heel is actually a hand and it can hold onto the trapeze. So I think that's a really cool detail. Functional and fashionable. But I do hear it kind of is hard for the hands to hold onto the trapeze once you take her on the box. But I mean, it's a collector doll, so I don't think she's meant to be like played with. But I mean, I have seen pictures of people displaying her upside down, like they'll hang her like from the ceiling or like hang her on the wall. They have her just laid upside down, like hanging onto the trapeze, and I think that looks really cool. If I were to take her out, I'd probably do something like that. If I were to, but I'm probably not. But if I do, so yes, I really do love these shoes. They're really pretty high platform shoes. And then of course the trapeze is included. It's the same gold material as the shoes as well. It's just a bar with like kind of like a swirly detail. And on each end it has some really cute bats. And on the bats there's some pink ribbon hanging off of them. And then last but certainly not least is Count Fabulous. Oh my goodness, you guys. I am super happy that they included him with this doll because he's like the most perfect addition to this doll. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. So he's dressed up. Draculaura dressed him up. He's probably not happy about it because he's an old vampire trapped in this little bat's body, but he looks adorable, you guys. Oh my goodness. So he does not look happy. He has a really cute hot pink bow on him with like some like, looks like some like diamond shapes and like gold or like yellow and purple on the bow. And then he has like little pink ruffles on his neck and his face is even painted as well. He's got like little diamonds above his brows, pink circles on his cheeks, and a little pink dot on his nose as well. It kind of would have been cute if they did like the circles with like hearts to like match Draculaura, but he probably couldn't because maybe his face mold or something. I don't know. I think that would have been a cute touch. But he does have some hearts on his shirt, some pink and yellow hearts, so I think that's really cute. I love how they dressed up Count Fabulous with this doll. It's super cute. And he looks mad as ever. And we're like even the original Count Fabulous looked pissed to be dressed up. I don't think the other Victor Chic characters came with the pets dressed up. That would be cool if they did, but I don't know. Honestly, I'd have to look that up later, but I don't think they did. To my knowledge. This is my favorite Monster High doll. Also, this is my first San Diego Comic Con Monster High doll too. Now think about it, it is. I could totally dress up as her next year for Halloween. That'd be cute. I think it'd be a fun project to try to like recreate the little bat hat. I think that would be a really fun thing to do. But I mean, hopefully apparently there's gonna be a Monster High drop on Friday the 13th, and apparently that's when the Draculaura Vampire Heart doll is supposed to be released. That's because the pre-orders already came out, but that was pretty messy because like Monster High like announced it like all late as usual. I don't know if it's gonna be the Vampire Heart. There's also a rumored Nightmare Before Christmas set. I don't think it's coming out yet though. Hopefully it's a Vampire Heart Draculaura, but I don't know if I'm gonna get her. I really do want to get her, but she is pretty pricey. I don't know. It's like I do have money for her, but I should probably be saving. But I think she does stand out from like the rest of the Victor Chic line. I think maybe if they added a little bit of black and white into her design, I think it would have made her blend in a little bit better. Like maybe they added black and white onto the cape instead of the hot pink and black. That would be kind of cool. Or like black and white stripes. Black and white striped leggings. I've seen some people like change the leggings on the doll to like black and white striped leggings. I think that looks really cute and kind of makes her blend in better with the rest of the dolls. But either way, by herself, she looks really pretty. I really don't have any complaints for this doll, really. So yeah, so that's it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment down below. Also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I do have some more Monster High content on my channel if you're interested in that. I do have makeup tutorials, especially for this one. Also like non-Monster High related content as well. How like goth DIYs and goth makeup and Halloween videos. All the fun stuff. All the shorts. So yeah, so that'll be it for today's video. I hope you guys have a safe, wonderful, and spooky day. Bye guys!
We are not alone. There's more to life than this. Show